guys, what's up? My name is Alex. I travel a lot for work.
This is how good it is. This is how good it is. That's good.
So come on everybody, follow my adventures and see where I'm going next. Hey guys, we finally made it to El Salvador. People are pretty friendly here.
Salvador.
There's a church right beside me. Well, sorry, it was right behind me, sorry. But people are pretty friendly here. Weather's
I'm
great.
pretty sure we're gonna cover all this tomorrow morning in the walking tour though.
Yeah, what Ken said.
National Palace.
Hola! Friendly people right there. Alright, here's some traffic. There's Ken. Cristobal Colon. Pupusa. Nice. Alright, take two. San Salvador, El Salvador. Everyone is so friendly here. I'm about to eat this pupusa with Ken.
I need my
So good.
to work better. It's horrible.
There's a nice church right there. If you want a smoothie shop, you come over here. Some nice juices. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel by clicking that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world, one country at a time, experience culture, learn new things, and please come join me on my adventures around the globe. See you guys later. Bye.